had received a complaint long back regarding Janata Hotel on the old station road, and we had investigated the complaint. We had given him opportunity to get all the things done. It was very unhygienic. सगळे premises त्याचे inspect करून we saw that all the deficiencies were noted down and given to him. After that, a show cause was sent to him. Then we re-inspected the place to see whether he has really deficiencies were complied, but not a single deficiency was complied at that moment. So we fined him rupees 20,000, and he has not yet paid that amount also till today. So again we decided to see whether he has really, because after giving him 2 opportunities, we thought we will see today whether he has really done it. But it is only 5 points out of 30 non-compliance. 5 points only have been complied. So because of that, we asked him to shut down the premises, rectify all the deficiencies, and then only open the premises. That we shut down the premises, open the police is like, see, I mean, they come now. This is the 3rd time they are coming to your premises, and you don't care for it.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.